Hello, my name's Gareth. I'm 18 from Preston in the United Kingdom, and this is my final project for CS50. So to start off, when you open the website, you're greeted with a login/register page, which is made using HTML, CSS, and Flask. So if you don't have an account, you can register, but I'm just going to log in since I already have an account. On the home page, you're greeted by a little description about the work that my uncle has done. There's also a button at the bottom to view the gallery, but we'll get to that in a minute. Here on the About page, it explains what CS50 is, and there's also a link to the Harvard website so you can go and sign up yourself. Over on the gallery page, there is some of my uncle's most recent projects. And finally, on the contact page, there is a form so you can contact me or my uncle. You just type your name, email, and if you do not provide a valid email, you will get an error. I'll show a screenshot of the email right now. This was my CS50 final project. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.